Aniban loses the handle, and now he's stolen, and he's double turn. The first pass open when Fa attacks. The roll shot, bakit? JB, Payuhan, nakalusot, Payuhan with the bucket. Spins, will attack, will bump, pinabitin pa off the window, Manny, Eugene. Welcome to Taytay Basketball League 2025. And the first ball possession for Heda. Eugene receives the ball at the top. A pass to the wings. High pass. Kandoma cross pass. Panganiban kicks out. Fires on three. Bang! First block. Shot clock is set to 14. Pull up jumper open look. Bullseye. Here's red team. High pass. Tenga takes time, will attack. Aniban loses the handle, and now he's stolen, and he's stumbled 10. The first natapos ng isang minuto. And the look no look pass, kicks out, fires at 3. Bang! And ball stolen. And the pass to the middle, all the way to the hoop. Hello Dan. Panganiban will receive the ball. Inside pass to Eugene. Cross pass open when Fa attacks. The roll shot, bucket for Tenga Textile. And Kandoma will bounce. Inside pass to the wings. Pull up J. Bullseye. And rebound. Picks. Another one. Rejected. And Salazar kicks out corner. Open look. Kevin Payuhan. In and out. Bang! Miracle shot. The lucky bounce. Payuhan. And the pass break. And nadulas. Stolen. Here's Payuhan. JB lumipad. Lantan. And the pass back to Eugene. Eugene now to the middle. And corner pass. Pull up J-Long to Bullseye. Tagging. And rinse pass. High pass to Eugene. Holds the ball. Eugene spins. Will attack. Will bump. Pinabitin pa off the window. Manny. Eugene. We are at 14. Here comes. Oh, Stasio. The ball there. No good. And it's JB Payuhan. Nakalusot. Payuhan with the bucket. And you're stunned. Pass to Timaho. To the wing side. Bounce pass. Pull up jumper. Tunggil. And kicks out. 4-3. Nothing but. And the pass. Eugene now holds the ball. They discard him mula sa wing side. Kicks it out. Fires at 3. Babawi. No good. Rebound. And the pass. Salazar bounce pass. Sakto yung pasa. Kaltag kicks. Oh! Double pass. Oh! 5 seconds shot clock. Ball is stolen. And the bounce pass na. Una na naman. Behind the back pass. No pass. Oh! Sayang naman yun. And that's the end. Dahil pass the bounce pass. Pull up jumper. Bucket. And the pass. Holds the ball. Cross pass. Natapikan. And recover. Nagkagawa no. Tatlo sila sa baba. Inasa. And the easy bucket. And pass to the wings. Pass. Takes. Dribble the ball. Attacks. Kicks it out. Will drive. Steps in. Kicks out. Fires at 3. Very good. And natapikan. And the pass break now. And Pigs fires short. Rebound. Pigs again. Oh, the last time. Mau easy too. And it stops. And Pigs. Kandoma. Nakalusot. The floater rejected. Pinasa sa loob. Pinasa pabalik. Naagawan. And binitbit na. Pinasa pa. Bounce pass again. Pinaikot. Pinaglaruan si Idol. And the pass. Holds the ball. Kicks corner. Natapikan. Recover spins to the baseline. And here's to the wings. Deep 3. Salazar. From here's Eugene now at the top. Will attack. The side step. Dire-diretso, tips in. Rebound niya pa rin. Sinausaw ng tibay mo. In the pass. Holds the ball. To the corner. Pull up J. Bullseye. The best. And now, De Leon into the middle. Almost stolen. Recovers his spins. Speaks. Inside pass. Out. Pass na naman doon. And dribbling the ball. The high pass. Naval. 3 shot. Bang. 3-4.
Rebound,
Eloy Tan will drive. Inside pass, the alley pass, the lap pass, and the finish. Kandoma. He stops the high pass. Eugene Toma. Eugene the side step, the hook shot. Bucket of the window against Jai. And the pass. Inside pass, posting up. Spain speaks, kicks out. Open look, fires at 3. Bang! 3-point. Escacho. Pass to the corner. Fires at 3. Very good. Rebound. Oy! Muntik na naman. And pass to the wings. Naagawan. Here's Eugene. Bounce pass. Dives all the way to the hoops. On the window. Yes, sir. And it's number 30. Stops. Fires at 3. Nugget. Oop! In and out. And here's rebound by Escacho. The pass break. And now Kandoma, corner, open look, fires at 3, bang! And goes the mid lane, dribbling, he pass to the wings, now holds the ball, cross pass, looking for the receiver again to the middle, inside pass, ang ganda namang pasan yung dalawa mo, easy 2. And now, here's team. Red team sa corner na naman. Open look for 3. Na good. Rebound. Para sa Happy Vibes. Sa gitna. Waste. Wings. Eto na. Inatake. Sinausa. Wow! Nakangiti. The pass. Escacho. And here, pass to Eugene. Eugene holds the ball. Toma. He dribbled the ball. Will attack. Inside pass. Tas agawan. And now, napunta sa bola sa Happy Vibes sa gitna. Nung matake, inside pass, pinabitin pa ang in the air. And the pass to the wing side. Dribbling the ball, the attack, kicks it out. Fires open look. Bang! Deep 3. And here comes Happy Vibes. Escaliado. Natapi ka, naagawan, the pass break. And here's Pinasa. Pass, pinabitin pa. Bomba, bomba. Yes, sir. And there's Panganiban. The pass to the wings. Open look again. For 3. Bam! Another 3. And that's the end. Third quarter action here. And there's Cash inside pass to Eugene. Eugene first out pass. He fakes. Against Jahes. Over Jahes. He fires. Oh, high shot. Down to 7-point lead. Here's Stan. Pass to the wing side. And he kicks out. Tinasahan yung nakaupo sa ilalim.
Sa turnover, Happy Vibes, Lourdes.
Panganiban now inbounding. Now looking for the receiver. Pass to Escacho. Escacho goes to the middle. Escacho will drive. He fakes. Kicks it out. Panganiban drives. Kicks out. Now open look. Fires at 3 again. Now down to 4-point lead. Pass to the wing side. Tan holds the ball. The cross pass. And drives. Kicks out. Fires at 3. No good. And rebound by Panganiban. Panganiban. Side step. Oh! Downtown sinausaw. Here's Panganiban. Picks. Dribble the ball. The cross pass. Bounce pass. And the pass to the middle. Panganiban space. Pull up jumper. Space. Bakit ang tornado mo? And now, Denga style up by 1 now. Pass inside now. Pull up again. Nugget. And the high pass. And the bounce pass na libre. Sinausaw na naman. And here's Team Happy Vibes and DJ Bayuhan. Bayuhan pull up jumper to the waistline. Temaho. Nugget. Rebound. And then Taloploder. Bucket. Cleaning his own. And here's Escacho. Corner pass for Patrick Kevin. Nugget. And here's Happy Vibes. So Salazar. Corner pass. Bayuhan pull up J.
JB Payuhan.
Inaugural rebound, pull back, bucket from Wallace. Here's Panganiban, picks. Panganiban, pass to Escasio.
Happy vibes.
Pass to Panganiban.
Panganiban.
Pass to the corner, to the middle. Pass, na good. Hindi pumasok na high pass, pass break. Temao, lumipad. Oh, BJB, Bayuhan. And 54-51, 3-point lead for Happy Vibes.
Happy vibes.
And goes his Spades. And recovered by Eugene, the front of the window, down to 1-point lead. And dribbling the ball. Salazar now pass to the middle. JB Payuhan. Negative.
JB Payuhan.
Sinutan niya! Sinutan! And Panganiban.
Yes, Panganiban.
Negative.
Ayaw pa rin ang dress doon.
Pass to Eugene. The recover. Pass. And there's Timaho. Pass to the middle. Picks, drives.
Salazar.
Pinabitin off the window. Bakit? Salazar. Escasio. Escasio between the legs. Goes to the wing side. Side step. Kicks out. And Panganiban pull up dyan to free throw area. Short. And rebound. Mapupunta pa rin sa Textile. Stepping back. Back. Escasio. 3 points. And the pass break. And Payuhan. Oh! Hangtan. Payuhan. And his pass. Payuhan. Pass to the corner. Will attack. Salazar. Hook pass. Will attack. Timao picks. Bumalik. The floater left-handed. Nago tips in. Bucket. Escasio. Escasio. The floater shot. Bucket. Easy to. Textile. Will attack. Escasio. Spin. Pinabutin over. The big man. Escasio. Pass break ngayon. Nauna na si Timao. Easy to. And it's Payuhan. Pass back, Payuhan. High pass inside. Dalim pass, the lampas. And the finish. Eugene hook pass. Nauna na 3 against 1 defender. Pinasa sa loob. Pass. Easy to Clarete. And here's Payuhan. Payuhan nakalusot. Side step over. Hook shot. Rebound by Clarete. He pass. And now to defender. Pinasa. Clarete rejected. Oh! And there's Happy Vibes. Will attack. Pinasa sa gitna. Jahase. Over. Keeps in. Oh! Sinawasaw yun. And the pass. Eugene now holds the ball. Snap sticks. Pass to the wing side. Will attack. And decided to take it easy. Now Nabal. Nabal. Will attack, will spin, falling away, oh, rejected. And it's Jasen, open look for 3, no good. Fight for the rebound, Jasen, rebound, right-handed lace. Doon, yun na naman si Idol. That's the end of the third. Holds dribbling the ball. Deep, to Pinasa, to the wings, pass inside again, falling away, yes sir. Nakangiti na naman. Kandoma. And the pass to the wing side. Binit kicks out. Pass a 3. Another 3. Kevin. And it's Payoma. No good. Rebound. Jase and Prince kicks out. Payuhan spins. Lakalusot. Payuhan pull up jumper. Robert Eugene. Nugget. Uy, ay stolen. Six, pinabitin. Bakit? Oh, nakangiti ulit. Eugene. Between the legs, drive. Yun na hope, nakalusot. And there's Payuhan, sumiksag. Lost the handle. And there's Kandoma. Kandoma stops. Pass to the in attacks. Pinasa. Hook shot of the glass. Bakit? Down to 1 point. Tan. Pass to number 23. Eloy Tan. Tan is fire up. So nakagawan. A chance to lead. Kanabal. Nabal is ito. Tan. Pass to the middle. Pass to the wing side. Pull up J. Long to bullseye. Takes again. And 1 point lead for Textile. The bounce pass. Spins. Stepping back. Open look. He fires. Bullseye. Tenga Textile now ball. Deep 3. No good. And the rebound. For the inbound now, high pass. CSC stolen. Anderson now in Harry. Bam, pull up jumper off the window. Bakit? Tan. Una sapatos. Tan. Dalong pass Eugene now. 3 defender. Bakit? And 1. Now dribbling the ball. Bounce pass to the middle. Kicks out. Picks. Recover. Pull up Jay. Nugget. Rebound sa corner. Tio Aho. Picks. Libreng. Ganda pa sa all. Yun lang. Tando mapas break. Kicks out. Open corner. Will drive. Lost handle. Tumalon. And here's Timao pass. Pull up jumper again. Bullseye. Another two. Toma. Crossover. Stops. Pass. And the pass. And here's wide open. Pero Dinebal stops. For 3. Panganibal. 3 point. 1 point lead. 4 team. Denga Textile. Inside pass. And kicks out. Sa gitna. Payuhan. Against Panganiban. Goes to the screen. Goes to the corner. Falling away. We are tied at 86. Stan holds the ball. Pass to the middle. Will goes to the screen. Creating space. Pull up Jade. Long to no good. Inside pass. Ang gandang pasa. And here. Estacio. Inside pass. And Totalito. Lumipad. High shot. Panganiban. And we are tied at 88. DJ Payuhan Tan. Open look for 3. Not good. Rebound. Shot clock down to 13. Tan inbounding the ball, looking for the receiver. Pass to the wings. Pull up jumper again. For the inbound now. Looking for the receiver. Kicks out. And here's Happy Vibes Lourdes. Timao between the legs. Goes to the baseline. Kicks out. Tan. Payuhan for 3. Not good. Rebound for J. Ofiasa at the free throw area. 1 minute 45 seconds left on the first. And here's Happy Vibes Lourdes. 91-90. Will attack. Tan drives. Inside pass. Kicks out. Payuhan. Timawa. Wala. Rebound by Eugene. And here's Estacio. Inaasinta. And here's Panganiban spins. Corner wide open for Rick. For the lead. And now, Textile up by 2. Oy! What a move! Sabi namang move yun. Sasagot! Out. Rebound. Para sa Eugene. Eugene drives. Corner. Another open move. One go. And rebound again. And open look again. Wala pa rin. Rebound. And there's Payuhan again. Crossover. Payuhan. Seconds on the play for the final quarter. And Payuhan again. Payuhan. Close the hole. And 26 seconds. 94-93. And here's Stan. Bounce pass inside. Natawan. And now, a chance. 18. Nabitawan. Recover. 1 bounce. Pinasan. Stepping back picks. Drives. Pull up Jay. Rebound. Nagaw. And the pass. 1 point lead.